Stop giving your dog kibble. Instead, here's 3 raw foods to feed your furry friend. 1. Raw meat. Dogs love meat because they are natural meat eaters. You can give them fresh chicken, beef, turkey, or lamb. Just make sure it's good quality stuff and cut it into small pieces or grind it up. 2. Raw bones. They're not only yummy, but they also help keep their teeth clean and make their jaw muscles strong. But be careful. Choose big, meaty bones that are right for your dog's size. And never give them cooked bones because they can break and hurt your pup. 3. Raw organ meats. These are like superhero foods for dogs. Liver, kidney, heart, and tripe are packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. But don't give too much. Around 10% of their diet is enough.